Dear students, in this session, we'll go with balancing of redox reactions in ion electron method, basic medium. Last class, we were having a discussion about acidic medium, balancing of equations in acidic medium. Now we'll go with basic medium. How it is. Only difference, only small changes. Oxygen, when you are balancing, we add water. Same. In acidic medium also we do the same. Hydrogens, when you are balancing in acidic medium, it is H plus, you are adding H plus, but in basic medium it should be water, immediately OH minus. For example, left side you need hydrogens, you add left side water, immediately same number of OH minus you add right side. Okay, same number. Okay, don't confuse, it will be same number. I'll just give you two examples here clearly, complete two examples. After that, if you have any doubts, I'll clarify. Okay, I don't think so you will get that doubt. So balancing of redox reactions in ion electron method, basic medium. First reaction I am taking. P4 gives rise to PH3 and H2PO2 minus. Phosphorus, oxidation state of phosphorus will be 0. P4 native state. PH3 phosphorus oxidation state will be minus 3. 0 to minus 3 means it is decrease in oxidation state. Decrease in oxidation state is called a reduction. H2PO2 minus, where phosphorus oxidation state is going to be plus 1. 0 to plus 1 is increase in oxidation state. We call increase in oxidation state as oxidation. So this is reduction and this is oxidation. Phosphorus to PH3 reduction, phosphorus to hypophosphate ion is oxidation. H2PO2 minus is hypophosphite ion. So we are taking similar to last class, reduction half. P gives rise to PH3. P4 was there, I made it P. Here wish, okay, now don't make P2, there is no sense. Okay, now you can use P4 as it is. For example, if you are using P4, you have to make it 4PH3. The number of hydrogens will become 12. Okay, the numbers will become bigger numbers. However, we are doing balancing. Our job is only balancing here. So there is no need to take P4. You can take single atom P. But finally, when you are expressing, the answer must be given P4. Okay, that point only you need to take care. Remaining all you can comfortably do. Okay, so two examples I am going to explain you. One I am taking P and I will take P4 type. Okay, see P4, but I am writing only P. You can write. Don't worry, you can write. Okay, P4 you are writing P gives rise to PH3. P gives rise to H2PO2 minus. Okay, now one atom only we are taking. We are trying to make it simple. First step, phosphorus atoms already balanced. Next step, phosphorus hydrogens. Oxygens are not there, no worries. Hydrogens, you see, 3 hydrogens are there. As I told you, if hydrogens are less, water and OH minus. 3 hydrogens are there, so you add this at 3 water and immediately 3 OH minus. Job done. 3 hydrogens, so 3 water, 3 OH minus. Over. Oxidation state, this side, left side is 0, neutral. This is neutral again, but there are 3 minus charges. 0, minus 3, as I told you last class LKG concept. Okay, now bigger number side, small number will come. 0, this minus 3, when it is coming this side will become plus 3. Means this side you need to add 3 electrons. P plus 3H2O plus 3 electrons gives rise to PH3 plus 3 OH minus I made. Clear? Take a moment. Yes, done. Next, oxidation half you see. P gives rise to H2PO2 minus. P gives rise to H2PO2 minus. Phosphorus is balanced. Next step is oxygen. Oxygens, just water molecules you need to add. O2. 2 water. Relax. That's all. Okay, now we are not doing any other things, because when you are balancing oxygens, just you are adding water. That's all. 2 oxygens are there, so 2 water. Over. Now over. Now you are checking hydrogens. 2H2O means 4 hydrogens are here. Here 2 hydrogens are there. So you need to add 2 water this side. Okay, the right hand side. So 2 hydrogens you need right hand side. So you need to add 2 water. Immediately this side 2 OH minus. Okay. Oxygens, when you are balancing, only water. But when you are balancing hydrogens, water as well as OH minus immediately. This is the only difference in acid medium and basic medium. Relax, you do. You will understand easily. I am repeating again, you see. Phosphorus already balanced. Oxygens, so I am adding 2H2O. Take a second. Right now. Yeah, 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. You need 2 hydrogens this side. So you are adding 2 water. Opposite side 2H minus. Done. Left hand side charges, this is -2. Right hand, this is neutral. This is -1. -2, -1. -2 is small value, lower value. It's going this side. It's getting one number. That means this side you need to add 1 electron. P plus 2H2O, 2OH minus gives rise to H2PO2 minus 2H2O and 1 electron we are adding here. Number of electrons in this case is 3. Reduction. Oxidation is 1. So in order to make them same, we are multiplying with 3. Acidic medium. If you have any doubt, just once go back to acidic medium concept and revise and come. Number of electrons must be same. So 3 electrons and here 1 electron is there. So we are multiplying with 3. Just we are writing this reaction as it is. This reaction multiplied by 3. Cancel the terms which are opposite. 3 electrons you are cancelling. 6 water you are cancelling. 6 OH minus 3 OH minus cancelled 3 and remaining is 3. P plus 3P, total 4 phosphorus are there. So 4P. 4P you can write in the form of P4 because in the question it was given P4. Right? If you are getting 8P, you will be getting 2P4. Don't add pH, 2P4. Sir, if we get 5P, what we have to do? It's very simple, 5 by 4 P4. Okay, don't worry, you won't get like that. But if you are getting 5 by 4 P4, okay, not a problem, right? So P4 plus 3H2O plus 3OH minus gives rise to PH3 and 3H2PO2 minus. Job done. If you want, you can check the charges. It's -3. It's again -3. Okay, we'll go with one more example. Now, Br2 example I am taking. Br2 gives rise to Br minus and BrO3 minus. Bromine oxidation state is 0 here. It is -1. This is +5. 0 to -1 is reduction. 0 to +5 is oxidation. It's reduction. It is oxidation. Take separately. Now, for your complete idea, I am writing Br2 only, but I am not making Br. Okay, now for your idea, I am making Br2. Br2 gives rise to 2 Br minus because you are first balancing 2. Okay, 2 bromines are there, so you are making here 2. No oxygens, no hydrogens, done. Directly you are going to electrons. 0 charge, it's -2 charge. So -2 coming this side and it is 2. That means you need to add 2 electrons at the left hand side. Common sense point. Reduction reactions, always electrons will be given at left hand side. So you got 2 electrons here. Okay, now I didn't take a Br. For your idea, I am writing Br2 also. Okay, if I have taken Br, it will be only Br minus. 1 electron only will come. Okay, understanding? So Br2 I am keeping. Now here also Br2. Okay, BrO3 minus. So first bromines to be balanced. So I am taking here 2 BrO3 minus. Next step, oxygens. 2, 3, just 6 oxygens are at the right hand side. So we are taking here 6H2. Okay, now oxygens balancing always same line. If oxygens are less, we need to add water. So 6 oxygens right hand side, 6 water. Now hydrogens. 12 hydrogens are there left hand side. So you are keeping here 12 water, opposite side 12 OH minus. Okay, 12 water and 12 OH minus. No charge, no charge. This is -12 charges. -2 charge, 2 BrO3 minus, -2 charge, this is neutral. It's -2, it's -12, -2 is a higher value, it moving here and you got here 10. That means this side you need to add 10 electrons. Oxidation of always electrons will be added at product side. Br2 plus 6H2O plus 12 OH minus gives rise to 2 BrO3 minus plus 12 H2O plus 10 electrons that we are adding here. Now check the number of electrons. Here 2 electrons are there, here 10 electrons are there. You need to make the electrons equal, so we are multiplying with 5. So 5 to the 10 electrons. 5 Br2, 10 electrons, 10 Br minus. This equation is multiplied by 5 and written here. This equation is as it is dumped here. Now you are going to cancel the things. 10 electrons cancelled, gone. 6H2O, 12H2O, we are cancelling 6 water molecules. The remaining we are writing as it is, you see. 5 Br2 and Br2. Reactant side, we need to add total 6 Br2. 12 OH minus gives rise to 10 Br minus, 2 BrO3 minus, 6 water. Right? Now the problem, you see, all these coefficients you can divide by 2. Okay, divide with 2. So what you are getting is 3 Br2, 6 OH minus, 5 Br minus, BrO3 minus, and 3H2. This is the only problem. Okay, you will get this equation directly. This equation directly if you are using Br. Okay, instead of Br2, if you have used like P, I have mentioned here P, na? P2 PX3 P2 H2 PO2 minus single atom. If you are taking single atom, this making of half is not required. Of course, this is also right answer, no doubt in that one. But this is the simplified form, and generally you need to give in this way. And take some time, 5 minutes time, and solve all these questions. Cl2 gives rise to Cl minus, ClO minus. Okay, this is also disproportionation reaction, disproportionation reaction, disproportionation reaction. Okay, now we were discussing in some other sessions about disproportionation. If same atom undergoes both oxidation and reduction, that is called the disproportionation reactions. These are all disproportionations. This is not Fe plus N2H4, FeOH taken twice and NH3. You can take it as an example. Cl2 plus IO3 minus, Cl minus and IO4 minus. Okay, now these three you can take it as work in basic medium. Just try it once. The number of electrons, and if you are going to make it correct, that's good. So this is about balancing of redox reactions in ion electron method, basic medium. Next session we'll meet with oxidation number technique. That will be more interesting. Good day.